In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in GIMP without losing quality. By the end, you'll know exactly which settings to use so your image stays sharp and clean, whether you're making it smaller for the web or larger for print. First, open GIMP and bring in the image you want to resize. Go to the top menu, click File, then Open. In the file browser that appears, select your image and confirm. Give GIMP a moment to load it, and make sure you're looking at the correct tab if you have multiple images open. Next, we'll use the dedicated tool for resizing the entire image. From the top menu, choose Image, then select Scale Image. This opens a dialog where all the important options live. It's different from scaling a single layer, and it ensures the whole image, including all layers, is resized together. In the Scale Image window, you'll see width and height. These control the final dimensions. It's usually best to work in pixels for screen graphics, but you can change the unit if needed. Before typing new values, look for the small chain icon between width and height. Make sure the chain is linked. When it's linked, the aspect ratio is preserved, so if you change one dimension, the other updates automatically, preventing stretching or squashing. Type your desired width or height, and let GIMP calculate the other dimension to keep proportions intact. Just below, you'll find the interpolation setting. This is where quality is won or lost because it determines how GIMP calculates new pixels. For best results, pick one of the high-quality methods. Cubic is a solid all-around choice that produces smooth results for most images. Sync, also labeled Lanczos 3, is excellent for maintaining detail when reducing or enlarging, often giving crisp edges. Low halo and no halo are advanced options designed to minimize artifacts. Low halo is generally great for downscaling photos with fine detail, while no halo can perform well when upscaling, helping avoid halos and ringing around edges. If you're unsure, try Sync, Lanczos 3, or Cubic for a reliable starting point. When everything looks good, click Scale to apply the change. GIMP will process the image, and you'll see the result immediately on the canvas. If the image appears too small or too large in your workspace, adjust your zoom level to inspect sharpness and edge clarity. If you want to compare methods, you can undo and try a different interpolation to see which gives the cleanest outcome for your specific image. That's it. With the right dimensions, a linked aspect ratio, and high-quality interpolation, you can resize in GIMP while keeping your image looking its best.